Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Eddie's Customs and Restorations. So I got this Trans Am here that I did a power steering gearbox, or a steering gearbox. And after replacing the gearbox, that's the way my wheel looks now, right? Well, not mine, the customer's, but pretty much I'm gonna show you how very simple it is to get the orientation of your steering wheel back to straight the way it should be, without pretty much having to pay a mechanic. So wheels are straight, steering wheel's not. What you're gonna need is a 1/8 Allen wrench. You can get yourself something like that, you know, from your local auto parts store, and it's the 1/8. Okay. And I had already gotten started here by the time I wanted or decided to make a video. So pretty much all you do is you unscrew every single one of these. All right. Okay, so once you take all 6 of those off, your wheel is pretty much ready to come off, right? And let me pry this one off. All right. Let me set this over to the side here. So that's what you'll end up with, and you got to try to get it as straight as you can. You know, you only got a certain amount of choices here. So we were at this orientation, so now we're gonna set it up here, and now the rest of it, because it's still not 100% straight, the rest of it will be taken care of when this vehicle gets in alignment, because you set your wheel where you want it, and then you adjust the sleeves at the bottom on the suspension. So looking underneath the car, those right there are the sleeves, the ones with the 2 bolts, 1, 2, right there. Those sleeves move the what's it called, the inner and outer tie rod ends closer together or further apart when you spin that sleeve. So by doing so, you can pretty much turn your tire, the toe of your tire, meaning the very front of the tire, will move that front either in or out. So pretty much you got an adjustment just the same on the other side, and that right there will solve the remaining, you know, 1/8 off that your steering wheel is. It'll pretty much situate itself once you get your alignment done. So then you continue on and you put all your 6 bolts back on, and then you get this guy and you see these slits right there. That's pretty much where that goes. So on that one, you're pretty much SOL. You know, if that's all you got, you know, you're gonna have to choose an orientation there. So how to deal with this, very carefully yank it off. So what you can do is you can start prying up on it. You can use some fishing line and try to get it started up in there, and then pretty much start sawing the adhesive, and then you can remove the emblem right here. And you know, of course, this is the way this one's going to clip on. It's going to be crooked like that, so you can remove it from here and then straighten it out the way you want it, right in the center, and re-glue. You can make a more permanent situation by gluing that on with the double tube epoxy glues. There's plastic bond that comes in the little tubes of 2 syringes that go down that way. So you can get yourself one of those and, you know, glue that back on. But that's it for the video, guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed it, and hopefully this sorts out your little situation with having your crooked steering wheel and not having to pay somebody else or breaking your head on how to do it, thinking you got to unscrew that center nut on the inside. No, you don't have to. That's the simplest way to do it. Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully this helped. Bye.